Ivan, grazzi wkoll lit-telespettaturi u l-Arċipriet taż-Żejtun li tagħna dak il-kollegament anke b'donazzjoni mill-isbaħ minant il-parroċċjani taż-Żejtun u minant dawk kollha li attendew għall-quddies fiż-Żejtun miegħi mill-ġdid Clive Muscat li kont hawnhekk dalgħodu aktar kmieni insomma flimkien mal-band Avenue Sky u xek. L-appell tiegħek lit-telespettaturi li qegħdin isegwu għal din il-maratona.
Jina nemmen li l-lum missom huma u darbohra ma nafux meta jista' jkun li misna bżonn lajnuna aħna. Allura nħeġġixkom sabiex tagħtu donazzjoni għaliex huwa kawża ġusta ħafna.
Ekku, aktar kmin ismajnik tkanta mal-grupp Avenue Sky, li huwa grupp lokali. Kemm qegħdin kantanti fakkarni?
5 membri.
5 membri li definittivament ser nisimgħu aktar bikom fi żmien. Illi ġej, però issa ser nisimgħu bħala solist u ser tkanta x'ser tkantalna?
Ekku, l-ewwel kanzett nista' nkanta ġib l-isem ta' Anniversary.
Mela sa kemm nisimgħu lill-ħabib tagħna nkomplu ngħinu lill-Fondazzjoni Nazaret.
Through the desert on my hands and knees, rehearsing my pretty please. Climb the highest mountain. If I were sorry, shout it from the top. Swim on the water until my lungs exploded. Walk into the fire. If I were sorry, I'd run 1,000 miles. Wouldn't stop until I dropped. Wouldn't take a break to breathe until I got close enough. And I'd do it all again if I really had the chance. But I know deep inside for you is just another dance. If I were sorry, I'd give you all the glory. If I was sorry, if I were sorry, it would be a different story. If I was sorry, if I were sorry, oh, I'd hold my breath till my face turned blue. I'd rob a bank and a post office too. Swim across the ocean. If I were sorry, I'd take a vow of silence. I wouldn't say a single word until you really heard. If I were sorry, I'd run 1,000 miles. Wouldn't stop until I dropped. Wouldn't take a break to breathe until I got close enough. If I were sorry, I'd give you all the glory. If I was sorry, if I were sorry, it would be a different story. If I was sorry, oh. Now did you ever realize that your mistake had a price? Oh, you threw it all away, 'cause you're the devil in disguise. Now would you ever realize the consequences of your lies? Or would you save the fallen tear or act as if there's nothing there? If I were sorry, if I were sorry, a vow of silence. I wouldn't say a single word. If I was sorry, if I was sorry, I'd be on my hands and knees, begging pretty please. If I was sorry, but I'm not sorry, no.
ħafna mek mela li l-kantant Clive li għadu kif